Hello everyone, this here is an Olympic 8-track player. So this works, however, it's quiet on the left channel, which probably means the caps have gone bad, and I've already opened this up and looked at it. There's a capacitor on this board. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this. It'd be easier to take it out, but there's a capacitor that's a little bit swollen up. I'm going to be able to replace all the capacitors on this with the exception of one. Yeah, this capacitor right here is swollen up a little bit compared to the other one. You can see how the plastic shrunk on it. So that helped the problem. The only capacitor I was not able to replace right now is what I believe to be a filter capacitor of sorts. It's like a 1500 microfarad at 50 volts or something like that. It was having some issues with speed regulation. I just beat the crap out of the motor. I think this is one of those motors that have the spring to regulate the speed on it or something. I don't know. It seems like that fixed the problem. I thought I was having trouble playing these cartridges, but I think it was just that there was a little bit of, corrosion or something on that contact in there. So the other thing I did was I adjusted the azimuth a bit on the head, and that kind of brought the clarity back. Fun fact about this belt, I got this a couple of months ago, and I could not find a belt replacement for it. So I cut the slack out of the old one and super glued it back together, and it works surprisingly well. Which I find kind of interesting. Eventually I have plans to get a replacement belt for it, but mind you, I spent $2 on this thing. The other thing I did was adjust the output potentiometers on this unit. So right there and there, and it helped to balance it out. Alrighty, now let's put it back together. I'll do a little demo for you. Alright, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.